Hi, so today is Mother's Day. It's 11th of May today. I have been doing this thing for last 2 to 3 years to give my mom innovative things on Mother's Day. I am speaking this quiet because she's just at the side room and they are shouting and yelling like anything anyways. So like had this thing in my mind that I will give something innovative, but কিছু জিনিসের জন্য like things weren't in place, but I have bought something really innovative for her which makes her happy. It's 12 o'clock and let's see how her reaction is.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. বাবারি কি এনেছিস?
দেখো
হ্যান্ডেল উইথ কেয়ার। কি সুন্দর। এটা তো আমরা খাবো একসাথে।
এক্ষুনি করছি রে পেপ চুইচি করছে।
আর
এই করে